Let me ask you something. What if you could earn money online by promoting products without creating your own product, without handling customers, without shipping anything? Sounds crazy, right? Now imagine this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and you see new commissions, new sales money coming in. That's the power of affiliate marketing. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing in the USA market, even if you are a complete beginner. In today's masterclass, you will learn what affiliate marketing really is, why the USA market is the best, how beginners can start from zero, how to build a system that generates income, how to scale from $0 to $1,000 per day. This is not just another video. This is a complete roadmap, so make sure you watch till the end. Part 1. Deep understanding of affiliate marketing. Let's break it down simply. Affiliate marketing equals promoting other people's products. When someone buys using your link, you get paid. Example, product price, $100, commission, $20. If 10 people buy, $200. If 100 people buy, $2,000. Now imagine doing this daily. That's where real income starts. Types of affiliate marketing: low ticket, small commissions; high ticket, big commissions; recurring, monthly income. Smart people focus on high ticket plus recurring. Part 2. Why USA market is powerful. Now let's talk about the USA market. Why is it so powerful? Reasons. People have high income. They trust online products. They spend more money. High-ticket products are common. Comparison: low market, $5 to $10 products. USA market, $50 to $500+ products. Same effort, 10 times income. Important insight: you don't need to live in the USA. You just need to target the USA audience. Part 3. Choosing the right niche. This step decides your success. Top niches: make money online, AI tools and software, fitness and health, finance, and investing, tech gadgets. How to choose. Ask yourself, is there demand? Are people spending money? Is there affiliate products available? Mistake: don't choose random niche. Part 4. Affiliate platforms. To start, you need platforms that give affiliate links. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore, 24. Step by step, sign up, choose product, get affiliate link, start promoting pro. Tip: choose products with good reviews, high demand, good commission. Part 5. Traffic system. This is the most important part. No traffic equals no money. Traffic sources: YouTube, blog, Instagram, Shorts/Reels, content strategy, solve problems, educate audience, recommend products. Example, video. Best AI tools for beginners. Add affiliate links. People click, buy, you earn. Secret: content equals traffic. Traffic equals money. Part 6. Content types that convert. Best content formats: reviews, tutorials, comparisons, top 5 lists. Example, top 5 AI tools for making money. High views, high conversion. Part 7. Income system. Here's the full system: traffic to click to purchase to commission. Daily. Example, 1,000 views, 50 clicks, 5 sales, $20 per sale to $100 per day. Scaling: more content equals more traffic equals more money. Part 8. Scaling strategy. To grow faster, post consistently, improve SEO, promote high-ticket products. Build audience goal: $100 per day to $500 per day to $1,000 per day. Part 9. Mistakes to avoid. Big mistakes: spamming links, choosing wrong niche, No consistency, expecting fast results. Rule: be patient plus consistent equals success. Final message: affiliate marketing can change your life, but only if you take action. Start today, pick a niche, create content, build your system, and one day, you'll wake up and see money coming in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Next video, I'll show you a high-converting affiliate strategy.